In this video, I'll show you how to use folders in Claude AI. This is an easy way to organize your chats and keep your projects structured. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll look for the sidebar where my conversations are listed. Now I'll check if there's an option to create folders or organize chats. For example, I might click a New Folder button or a similar option. After that, I'll give my folder a name, such as Work Projects or Learning. Once the folder is created, I can start moving conversations into it. I might drag and drop chats into the folder or use a menu option to organize them. Using folders helps keep everything tidy and makes it easier to find specific conversations later. If needed, I can rename or delete folders anytime. And that's it. I've successfully used folders in Claude AI to organize my chats. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.